And after a lovely weekend of weather, warm sunshine greets many of us today. I'll brighten your day at this gorgeous garden, but it is all change as we head through the week. It turns cloudy and wetter for all of us. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday.
And I'm surrounded by greenery this morning for a very good reason, because this tree here may look familiar to some of you. It's a cherry tree. I planted this a year ago and we've come back to see how it's growing, and it's had a lot of growth. So this was a video of me planting it a year ago, and it was part of 130 rare trees that were planted here at Board Hill to celebrate the 130th anniversary of the family owning the gardens and grounds. And if you want to know what the tree will look like when it's fully grown, Dave will show you. So this tree is actually derived from that very one cherry tree that was thought to be extinct. So that's very exciting indeed. Also lots of excitement here because it's just been announced they've had a huge lottery grant. It's reinventing Board Hill. They're going to be unlocking the paddocks here behind me, having learning and education centres for the local community, focusing on sustainability and being outdoors for mental health. So lots of exciting things happening. And at the moment, beautiful blue skies, a mist is rising. Will the sunshine last? Here's the all-important details. Well, talking of sunshine, I don't know if you saw the sun yesterday. For a lot of people, it was red. And then the moon last night was also red. Atlantic, all the way from Canada and America, and it means that we're more likely to scatter in the red wave-light, length of light, and that means we're seeing more red in the sky, and a bit of a hazy start to the day as well. But we have got a beautiful sunshine greeting us here this morning. I'm at Board Hill Garden on their Paradise Walk, which has beautiful... Well, in typical British summer style, we have a little bit of everything as we head through the week ahead, and that mixed weather has been perfect here at Board Hill Garden. I'm here surrounded by stunning colour, which has come into full bloom because of the warm weather and helped with some of the rain as well. Now, yes, after the weekend warmth, there is more of it today. Good morning to you. Yes, I'm now in the rose garden, which is yet again in full bloom after flowering yet again from the wet weather and then the recent warmth that we've had. And it means for many people, the gardens are looking amazing. And there's a mixture of that weather as we head through this week. We've had the warmth and sunshine over the weekend. It's a gorgeous sunny start to the day today. But weather fronts coming up in the Atlantic are set to bring wetter and windy. Good morning to you. Yes, we're revisiting here because a year ago I planted a cherry tree. We came to see earlier how it's doing, and it's growing nicely. And in the recent warm weather and then the earlier rain this season, the flowers here are absolutely beautiful. This is the midsummer border in full bloom, bathed in sunshine this morning, and what's set to be a gorgeous start to the day, at least. Because weather fronts are queuing up in the Atlantic, and that means we're tracking weather systems, bringing with them rain as we head through the week. Also, you'll notice maybe yesterday or this morning, the sun looking red because wildfire smoke is in the upper atmosphere, and that means it reflects the light into the red wavelength. So this morning, many of us bathed in gorgeous sunshine, albeit dappled with this haze, but from the west, it's clouding over with rain. So for Northern Ireland, then Wales and Scotland, turning cloudy, wet and windy here with rain heavy as we head through the afternoon, particularly on higher ground of these western upslopes, and here a miserable cool day. But in the east with the best of the sunshine, still holding on to the warmth of the weekend, top temperatures in the sunshine up to 26 degrees Celsius.